Good morning, my dear friend. This is Barry from NEWINDU International Limited, and welcome to our channel again. This time, we have two wheel loaders in our warehouse of Shanghai. So follow me and let's take a look. The leading role in this video that I'm going to introduce is SEM 655D wheel loader. Just a tip, SEM company is a branch company of Caterpillar in China with the same technology and production line but with a cheaper price and a similar quality. Then let's take a look at the front side. As you can see, this wheel loader is equipped with two kinds of configuration. The first one is standard 3 cubic meter bucket, which is rated load capacity is 500 kilograms, and another one is a log gripper, which is for carrying steel pipes and woods, etc. Then I will show you the inside of the driving room. Follow me. The driving room is heat preservation cabin. It also equipped with air conditioner system and fan. The adjustable seats can provide a better working experience for the driver. The loader equipped with Weichai 162 kilowatt diesel engine, which can fit Euro 3 emission standard, which can provide the lower fuel consumption and the easier maintenance. SEM is the most famous leading construction machinery manufacturers in China, which can provide bulldozers, wheel loaders, and motor graders, etc. If you have any interest in this wheel loader, welcome to inquire me. And I'm Barry. I will see you guys next time.